Hello friends, this is Rahul Chauhan, mentor of change. Today I will be discussing on the topic robotics. Robotics is a branch of engineering that involves the conception, design, manufacture and operation of robots. The objective of the robotics field is to create intelligent machines that can assist humans in a variety of ways. Robotics can take on a number of forms. Robotics applications comes in the industrial as well as various types of robots are used to perform repetitive tasks. They may take the form of a robotic arm, robotic exoskeleton, or traditional humanoid robots. Industrial robots and robot arms are used by the manufacturers and warehouses such as Amazon, Devil, Best Buy, etc. To function, a combination of computer programming and algorithms, a remotely controlled manipulator actuator, control systems, action processing and perception, real-time sensors, and an element of automation helps to inform what a robot or robotic system does. Some of the additional applications of robotics field are human home electronics, computer science, artificial intelligence, data science, mechanical engineering, mechatronics, nanotechnology, bioengineering, aerospace. Some of the various types of robotics are: first is pre-programmed robots. Pre-programmed robots operate in a controlled environment where they do simple or monotonous tasks. One of the example of a pre-programmed robot is a mechanical arm on an automotive assembly line. Second comes the humanoid robots that look like or mimic human behavior. For example, it is used to perform human-like activities like running, jumping, and carrying objects, etc. Third is autonomous robots, which independently operate as human operators. These robots are usually designed to carry out tasks in an open environment that do not require human supervision. Fourth comes the teleoperated robots. These are semi-autonomous boats that uses a wireless network to enable human control from a safe distance. Examples of teleoperated robots are the human-controlled submarines used to fix underwater pipe leaks during the BP oil spill, or drones used to detect landmines on a battlefield. Fifth and the last is the augmenting robots. These are known as the VR robots, either enhance the current human capabilities or replace the capabilities a human may have lost. What is a bot or a software robotics? Software robotics are also known as the bots, which are computer programs which carry out tasks autonomously. One common use case of a software robot is a chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program that stimulates conversation both online and over the phone and is often used in customer service scenarios. Chatbots can either be simple services that answer questions with an automated response, or more complex digital assistants that learn from user information. Some of the types of bots are chatbots, which are used to carry out simple conversation in a customer service setting. Second is the spam bots, which collect email addresses and send spam mails. Third is the download bots, which download software and apps automatically. Fourth is search engine crawler bots, which scan websites and make them visible on search engines. Fifth is the monitoring bots, which report on website speed and status. Some of the benefits of robotics field are better customer service, compliance with regulations and standards, completing processes more rapidly, improved efficiency, cost savings, more productive employees. Some of the pros and cons of robotics are pros are better than humans, automate manual and repetitive activities, work in unpredictable hazardous environment, process deliver reports for enterprise security, fill out pharmaceutical prescriptions, deliver necessities during emergencies, assist during surgeries without getting tired. Some of the shortcomings are restricted by their programming, can sense intruders, ease loneliness, empathize, respond to unexpected situations, require constant power source maintenance, open door to cybersecurity issues. What are the main components of a robot? First is control system, the CPU that directs a robot's task at high level. Second is sensor, a component that provides electrical signals to allow a robot to interact with the world. Third is actuators, the motor parts that are responsible for a robot's movement. Fourth is the power supply, the battery that supplies power to a robot. Fifth and the last is end effectors, the exterior features of a robot that allows it to complete a task. Let's discuss about control system. It includes all the components that make up a robot's central processing unit, often referred as control system. These are programmed to tell a robot how to utilize its specific components. These robotic tasks could comprise anything from minimally invasive surgery to assembly line packing. Second comes the sensors. Sensors provide a robot with a stimuli in the form of electrical signals that are processed by the controller and allow the robot to interact with the outside world. These sensors allow the robot to capture its surroundings and process the most logical conclusion based on the current moment and allows the controller to relay commands to the additional components. Third are the actuators. A device can only be considered to be a robot if it has a movable frame or body. Actuators are responsible these are the components that are responsible for its movement. These components are made up of motors that receive signals from the control system and move in tandem to carry out the movement necessary to complete the assigned task. These are made up of variety of materials such as metal or elastic. Fourth is the power supply. Like human body requires food in order to function, robots also requires power. Stationary robots such as those in factory or maybe on AC power through a wall outlet, but more commonly robots operate through an internal battery. Most robots utilize lead acid batteries. Safety, weight, replaceability and life cycle are some of the important factors. Some potential power sources for future robotic development also include pneumatic power from compressed gases, solar power, hydraulic power, flywheel storage energy, organic garbage through anaerobic digestion, and nuclear power. Fifth is the end effectors. End effectors are the physical, typically external components that allow robots to carry out their task. Robots in factories often have interchangeable tools like paint sprayers and drills. Surgical robots may be equipped with scalpels, and other kinds of robots can be built with the gripping claws or even hands for tasks like deliveries, packing, bomb diffusion, and much more. This is a simple diagram showing how the robot works. Between the sensors and the actuators, power conversion unit is there, which is again connected to the controller, and controller is again connected to the manipulator linkage base. Thank you.